Okay, good morning student of 6th class. As you know that our syllabus is nearby completed, and recently we completed our the last chapter of civics, that is making a living and rural livelihood and urban livelihood. This video is mainly for rapid revision of this chapter and to provide you a summary and concept to clear your concept and what are the key concepts of this chapter. Okay, we have discussed about first you should know that what is livelihood. What is livelihood? So making a living is necessary for everyone's life everywhere, whether it's rural area or urban area. We find the people are running about the doing job and another order to make both end to meet. Okay. So the main question arises here that what is livelihood? So the work that we do to earn our living is called an occupation, and this occupation, all the work that we do to earn our and to maintain our status and to fulfill our need is called livelihood. You know that our country is divided into socially the rural area and urban area, गाँव और शहर में. The livelihood of rural area is different from the livelihood of urban area. In rural area, we find that most people are engaged in farmer activities, agriculture activities, and we classified the farmers in this that some are large farmer and middle farmers and small farmer, and some of them are landless farmer. लार्ज फार्मर के बारे में हमने क्या पढ़ा था बेटा कि जो लगभग जिनकी जो जमीन होती है वो 2 हेक्टेयर से ज़्यादा, फार्मर हु ऑन लैंड बिटवीन 2 and 5 हेक्टेयर कॉल्ड मिडिल स्केल, एंड दोज हु ऑन द लैंड मोर देन 5 हेक्टेयर इज कॉल्ड लार्ज स्केल फार्मर, विल सच फार्मर हु ऑन लैंड लेस देन 2 हेक्टेयर इज कॉल्ड स्मॉल फार्मर. 5 हेक्टेयर से ज़्यादा जो ऑन करते हैं वो लार्ज स्केल फार्मर, 2 हेक्टेयर से लेकर 5 हेक्टेयर तक ले ऑन करने वाले फार्मर्स को मिडिल स्केल फार्मर, और 2 हेक्टेयर से कम जिनका पास जमीन होता है वो बेटा क्या कहते हैं, स्मॉल स्केल फार्मर कहते हैं. ठीक है, स्मॉल फार्मर्स आप कह सकते हो. वी फाइंड इन विलेज दैट सम पीपल और सम फार्मर्स हैव नो लैंड, दे आर कॉल्ड लैंडलेस फार्मर. ठीक है, these activities are agriculture activities in village we find mainly. ठीक है, large proportion of people in village area are engaged in agriculture activities. Next बेटा क्या है, shopkeeper, दुकानदार. we find in village area some many people are engaged in shopkeeping. They opened their shop and sell as a retailer shop. ठीक है, and provide the every daily basis things, okay, grocery, stationery, hosiery and other things which are daily used in the village, in villages. And second, blacksmith, lohar. We find usually one family in any village. ठीक है, he makes tool and implement of iron for the farming community. गांव के लोगों के लिए वो ब्लैक स्मिथ जो कुछ ना कुछ कोई चीज़ जो भी हमारी नीड की जो बनाते हैं. कारपेंटर इज आल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मेंबर ऑफ विलेज कम्युनिटी. ठीक है, कारपेंटर मेक वुड्स, विंडो, चेयर, टेबल एंड स्टूल्स, इट आर दिस. ही मेक्स वुडन प्लाउ एंड वुडन कार्ट्स. लकड़ी के जो जोतने का बनता है और वो कार्ट भी, गाड़ियाँ भी. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज मेंबर, अपार्ट फ्रॉम फार्मर and blacksmith and carpenter, some are also in village community. They are cobbler, washerman. ठीक है, हेयर कटिंग जॉब जो करते हैं, बार्बर. ठीक है, पोस्टमैन. In short, we can say that all type of people with a different profession are an asset of village community. विलेज कम्युनिटी में जितने भी लोग अलग अलग तरीके से अपना रोजगार करते हैं वो विलेज कम्युनिटी में आते हैं. अर्बन लिवलीहुड में हम देखते हैं ऑक्यूपेशन को हमने क्लासिफाइड किया था कि generally occupation are generally divided into 3 main category: primary occupation, secondary occupation and tertiary occupation. tertiary occupation, primary occupation, that occupation are directly engaged with natural activities, ठीक है, that agriculture, forestry, cattle rearing, dairy farming, fishing, mining, etc. These are primary occupation. Secondary occupation is also known as manufacturing. Okay, in this occupation people process the raw material into more valuable things. Okay, process the raw material into goods by machine, the textile industry, iron and steel industry, paper making industry, jute, silk, cotton, cloth, likewise everything. This is secondary occupation. Tertiary occupation do not produce goods and anything and do not engage in agricultural activities. This provides a service. Tertiary occupation provides service to all other occupations, as like teachers, administration, banking, transportation, railways, ठीक है, post offices are all engaged in tertiary occupation. ठीक है. What is type of livelihood in urban area? We find that factory worker, shopkeeper, businessman, professional, teacher, lawyer, doctor, these are all livelihood in urban area. ठीक है. Some people are we find that some people are engaged in domestic, as a domestic helper or domestic servant. Domestic servant. Professional like teacher, doctor, lawyer, bank employee, clerk, postman, policeman are also from major part of urban population. They serve the society in their own way. Besides the above people, there are some other who reside within the urban area, such as vegetable vendor, domestic servant, garment worker, bank employee, vegetable seller. These are the things. ठीक है. और हाउस होल्ड ड्यूटी जैसे कुकिंग वॉशिंग ना करने वाले लोगों के लिए, कुछ लोगों के हेल्प करने के लिए वो डोमेस्टिक हेल्पर भी रखते हैं, तो उनका भी वो भी उनका ऑक्यूपेशन, अर्बन ऑक्यूपेशन में प्रोफेशन उनका है कि अर्बन में क्या क्या प्रोफेशन करते हैं उसको लिस्ट डाउन कर सकते हैं. अब लास्ट जो टॉपिक है, डिफरेंट बिटवीन सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, रेगुलर एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट. सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, रेगुलर एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में भी हैव डिस्कस्ड. सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन सिटीज एंड टाउन, वी फाइंड दैट सम पीपल आर एंगेज्ड इन देयर ओन बिजनेस. It means they are owner of their business. They run their according their own way. ठीक है. Shopkeeper and businessman form major section of self-employment. Self-employed. Regular employment. There are some employees who are employed in permanent basis. They are given to fixed salary and regular monthly salary. Okay. All public and private servant are part of parcel of regular employment. And some are wage employment. In urban area we find that some labor and some people are work day and find their wages at evening. ठीक है. they are wage employment. लेबर, कारपेंटर वो काम करेंगे दिन में तभी शाम को पाएंगे, तो वो वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट. अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट को करते सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट और रेगुलर एम्प्लॉयमेंट और या फिर वो वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट है. रूरल अर्बन लिंक थ्रू माइग्रेशन. We are finding that now the rural and urban areas are totally interlinked. We are not finding any differences between urban area and rural area, because of that everything of urban area is developing in rural area, and many things are rural area are developing in urban area. And through migration from village to urban area for earning money and getting job, urban areas provide the occupation and employment to rural people. Rural people are getting money or salary from urban area. तो इस तरीके से जो रूरल एरिया के लोग हैं वो भी डेवलप्ड हो रहे हैं, अर्बन एरिया के लोगों का बिजनेस भी चल रहा है. इस तरीके से एक इंटरलिंकिंग हमें देखने को मिलता है बेटा. तो एक समरी वीडियो था और इस तरीके से अब हमारा रिवीजन शुरू होगा और जो भी एक्सरसाइजेज हैं वो डे बाय डे आप कंप्लीट कर लीजिए, इसको हम भेज देंगे. ठीक है. थैंक यू.